Hi, this is Mike with Airstream Adventures. Today we're going to take a look at leveling our Airstream unit. There's a step process with regards to leveling the unit, and in most cases you're going to find that at your parks, national parks and state parks, your campsite is already going to be pretty much level. But if you're boondocking or off-grid camping, you may find that that particular site is uneven or not level, and it requires leveling your unit. It's always good to remember that there's some components inside your Airstream that do require your unit to be level for them to operate and function correctly. The first step in leveling your unit is to level the unit side to side, or what we call east to west. And in that process, the best way to do that is to take a carpenter's level, usually about a 2-foot carpenter's level that has a bubble in the center. We set that carpenter's level inside the unit on the center of the floor, east to west or side to side. Whatever side of that level or that bubble is uneven or low, we need to raise that side of the trailer to try to get that bubble to center inside that carpenter's level. Once we've leveled east to west, side to side, we can level north to south. North to south is what we call front to rear. And that's even easier because then we can use our hitch on the front of the trailer to either raise the hitch or lower the hitch to get that bubble to go to center for north to south, front to rear. We have two different types of leveling devices. One is contained inside the Adventure Kit, which is the little locking blocks, orange locking blocks. You can actually put them side to side and then stack them on top of each other, and they actually lock together. Or we have a leveling device that's a separate device that's in our parts department that you can use to actually back up on, and as you back up on it, it rotates up and raises the tires on that side of the trailer. So two different ways, locking blocks or leveling device for leveling one side or the other of your trailer. North to south is always done by your hitch on the front of your trailer. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit us at airstreamadventures.com.